Mike, man with 4runner. Start over. One more time. Okay.
Mike, man with 4runner.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Or did I run away from the camera?
You ran away.
Man with 4runner here. Today we are getting rid of the low pro and we're moving to full bumper. It's Addicted Off-Road. Check out their Instagram, link's gonna be in the description below. We're gonna remove the top plastic, then we're basically gonna remove the whole bumper, and then we're taking out the low pro. We're at the last bolts where this is going to come off. In a stock situation, this is what you'd be removing. It's the exact same bolts in the exact same place. So we're just taking this off instead of taking this off. That's going on. Alright, so we decided to go ahead and just follow this line coming from the fender, and we're going to cut right below the blue line, which is about 1.5 inches. Now I have a 1-inch body lift, so to compensate for that extra little bit of space, I'm going to go a little bit lower than normal. Sanded it down, cleaned it up, and now I'm adding in this door trim. I just got off of Amazon for like 10 bucks, just to kind of give it a little bit more of a cleaner look. There you go. All right, couple notes. This main piece right here was on backwards to the actual bumper itself. We think it was done like that for shipping purposes. So all we had to do was take out the bolts, flip it around, and as you can see, it lines up perfectly. All right, and just a little reminder, with my body lift, we went down with the tape about 1.5 inches. For the people without body lifts, just do 1 inch. You should be good, but we got it pretty snug all the way across. Again, I use this Amazon door trim just to kind of clean it up, make it look nice. Also, a little side note, make sure to put your fair lead on first before putting in the winch. You are limited on room where the bolt and the winch are. Shout out to Addicted Off-Road. Check them out on Instagram. And there you go. You got your full bumper.